Good morning, everyone. Happy Tuesday. So, yesterday Instagram was down, and I have to say, it felt kind of good to be able to get some things done and not be on my phone. Although I'm not on my phone in the evening time after work, only because I do have to work. So, I was able to get quite a bit done yesterday. So, and what I mean is for pouches. I was working on those. And good morning, everyone. Happy Tuesday. So, yesterday Instagram was down, and I have to say, it felt kind of good to be able to get some things done and not be on my phone. Although I'm not on my phone in the evening time after work, only because I do have to work. So, I was able to get quite a bit done yesterday. So, and what I mean is for pouches. I was working on those. And good morning, everyone. Happy Tuesday. So, yesterday Instagram was down, and I have to say, it felt kind of good to be able to get some things done and not be on my phone. Although I'm not on my phone in the evening time after work, only because I do have to work. So, I was able to get quite a bit done yesterday. So, and what I mean is for pouches. I was working on those. And I did have a lot of questions as to what is on the cart, what I have on the planner cart. And basically, this is where I keep stuff where I just don't have, like, I don't want to keep everything on my desk because I just don't want that clutter. And I do have things that I sell, like the planner cards, and I have those down here. I haven't organized those yet, but I just didn't preferably want like a lot of clutter on the desk. I didn't want anything on the desk. So I decided to use the planner cart for just for that, just to hold a lot of the acrylic containers. So all of these containers here, I bought at the Target $5 spot a couple of months ago. And after I bought 4, I wanted to get like another 10, but they were sold out everywhere. So I just couldn't find them anymore. It's a really top of the line acrylic, extremely my favorite actually. And then these 2 here are from Amazon. And what's cool is that they actually open. So you can keep those, you know how like you buy stuff and it has the packaging on it, so it's tall enough where you can keep the packaging on it. So I decided to put the sticky notes in there. There's more sticky notes, planner cards. Those are things that people purchase, so it's just easier for me. I don't have that many people ordering, so it's not like I need a bigger place. And then I have the planner cards on the bottom, the different ones that I just made, like redid the Sunday routine and then the budget card. And before that, I usually include these cards with my pouches. Anyways, I decided to just put those there for now. So over here, I have all of the like daily planners, and I just moved one over there because I was looking for something yesterday. This is just miscellaneous, like a notebook. Here's another notebook, my Kindle, my iPad. This is a Mark Edit. This is a Mark Edit A5 Slim. This is brand new. I was trying to sell this because it just doesn't fit my B6 or my A5, and yeah, so it's here. So I just have a couple little miscellaneous things. This is the little card holder that I got, and I have the 3 different other colors. They should be coming in on Wednesday. And literally they hold everything perfectly. So when you first get it, it might not be in shape, like, it might not have that shape, but as soon as you just put like the cards in it and stuff, it shapes it really nicely. Like I said, if you just put things in it, it will shape nicely. And then down here, this here is just but this big stack of stuff needs to be put away. So that's like where I keep, this is my A5 paper. This is like iPad covers. This is all of the inserts that I take out, and then like, let's say I'm switching something. So this is my stack of stuff that needs to be sorted through and put in here. This is it's called an Iris greeting card holder, and basically I just created it to use for my inserts, and then I labeled everything, and I have like monthlies, weeklies, finance, dailies, line paper, stuff like that, miscellaneous, and in the back I have all of the dividers and dashboards. So this is pretty handy. Then this here is just like all of my Crayola markers. And then in the back, this I bought at the Container Store a couple years ago. And then I just cut off the top because it folds over. It's like an accordion. And you can like put this right on top of the table and have whatever you have, whether it's your bills. I was putting stickers in here. And then I just left it there because there's so many that I just don't have time to just put them in the photo albums. And then on the bottom here is I have 2 label makers, and then I have my sprocket, a couple little things. And then these are all of my mailings. Looks like I need to buy more. So I use these for like the cards and the smaller thing. This little tote here is from Milrose Notes. I previously had a bunch of planners in it, but right now I don't have anything in it, so I just wanted to leave it here so when I use it, I can just take it with me on the go. It's a very sturdy canvas. So I have that there. But over here, I have a different cart. This is the smaller carts. Nothing fancy about this. The top here is my planner, like this is the tote. I put all of my sticker albums. These are all of my planner books, like A5 books, Dayology books. This is a Franklin Covey for 2022, line paper, moleskin. So I just put all of the books on this side. And then underneath, I have all of the planners that I use for measuring. So these are planners that I don't use. It's like an overflow, so I keep them there. The bottom shelf are all of my wallets. So those are all of the different wallets. This is like standard. This is an A6. So I use these for measuring. As well as over here, I have this other tote underneath here. And those are for measuring as well. So if people have something, maybe like a Foxy Fix Weeks cover, or, anyways, I keep some of the B6 covers and things on the bottom there. And then I have like the A5 and the other sizes here. The reason why I keep these on the bottom here is that sometimes people do order like a Happy Planner, or they order the ones with discs, or an Erin Condren. So I try to have as many different planners that I can, because it helps me when making the pouches. So that is what, then I have my desk area. So I posted about me remodeling my desk area, and that was like a huge thing for me to take on, because I actually did it by myself. But the desk is here. This little area is in the same spot. I haven't found a place for my acrylic box yet. Kind of sad that it's just like kind of on the floor because these shelves are not big enough. So I just have it right here for now. And the reason why I have it here is because I actually use it. The back here is all of like vellum, and then I have like the inbox and business stuff. So I have all of them here. So I might just put this in the closet so it's just not on the floor. But right now it's just there because I just don't want, like I said, I don't want it on here. And I'm probably going to move that diffuser back downstairs. And then this little, like, I bought this at Michael's. Let me just move this. This is somebody's order. So I have been raving and ranting about this toolbox tote, or like a fishing tote. I don't know. Anyways, I use this for all of my supplies and all of the extra stuff that you can like lug around the house. You know, it has white out, things like that. It just has like all of these smaller stickers, and I put like 2 things of washi. So it has a variety of stuff in here, and it's super easy because you could just bring it around the house and go downstairs and you're like, okay, I don't need to like lug everything. And then in here is where I keep all of the extra stuff. Like, these are all of my like clips. Like, I have a ton of these, and I've been collecting them since probably like 5-6 years now. And then I just have like a ton of sticky notes and little extra stuff here that I just leave. I don't have that much stuff. And then I just have miscellaneous mile liners. These are all of my Ashley Lay bookmarks and more bookmarks, planner cards, miscellaneous. These are like little baggies to mail out. Miscellaneous. This box here is for like all of the washi tape. This is Simply Gilded. I might have a few that are in here that are not Simply Gilded, but the majority is. And then the bottom is I'm sorry, because I don't even know. So these are some personal wide inserts, and I have these clear pockets. I should actually go through all of this stuff here. Oh, there's my sticky notes, and I ordered more. Oh man, I'm telling you. Okay, so I just have a miscellaneous stuff, and then some more sticky notes underneath here. And then the bottom is actually, I need to get rid of these. I don't need these anymore, but this is my safe. So when I was using the cash envelopes, I would use the safe and put everything in it. But I don't really use it right now because a lot of the money is in the bank. Over here is where I keep the cash envelopes. So I'm still debating on doing half-half, but everything is in the bank right now. But the way the world is, I don't know much longer I'm gonna keep the money in the bank. That's a whole nother story. But anyways, so that's what I have there. My foot's hurting, so I couldn't even put on my other slipper. And then this is my desk. I kind of showed you guys a little bit about that. I love this drawer. It's so big. It has plenty of room. Like, it's amazing. I mean, not amazing, but it's just, I'm happy because what I had before was just a lot smaller. The bottom kept falling out. It was a hot mess. This little holder here I got from Target. So cute. You can just look up, if you're trying to find this, look up sticky note holder. Sticky note acrylic holder, and you will find it. Underneath I have miscellaneous different calendars. This needs to be, you know what, I'm gonna put this over here because I really don't need it here. So I just have miscellaneous. I have a bigger calendar that's like an hourly. This came with the computer. This is like my little to-do list, and then my budget notebook that I still use. That in addition to this, these both need to be updated. So then I have like my pens and favorite little things. Over here is where I keep all of like the little stuff, you know, all of your little things. So these acrylic jars or containers I got from Amazon, and I really like them because you have different sizes for different things, and everything just fits perfectly. You know, I have a little cutter. What do you call that when you want to cut the washi or white out, cut the corners, more white out. So this little drawer is like miscellaneous. And that is about it. So if we just turn around, there's a chair there. I still wasn't able to put up my blinds, but hopefully I can have the energy to do that after work. And then over there, and then we're back over here. So the only thing that I don't have, I never put anything on the walls yet because I was trying to find something. So my walls are pretty bare and I still need to put up the blinds. But so overall everything's pretty done, but I just wanted to show you, give you like a little tour. Like I said, nothing fancy. This is just my place. It's my little safe haven. Like, I don't know what you want to call it, but I just like being in here. It's fun. It's fun when I'm like into something or I'm printing. But I am having a little difficult time printing inserts to come out correctly on Adobe, so I have no idea what's going on with that. That's a whole nother thing. But anyways, I hope that this explains everything, because I did have some questions, just like to do like a little office tour. So if there's anything that you see or you have any questions about something, just please reach out and let me know. And as always, I hope you have a wonderful day.